Every picture tells a story, revealing more than just moments in time. They unveil our passions, dreams, and the unseen poetry of our everyday lives. Hi everyone, and welcome to week 26 of our 52-week smartphone photography challenge. This week, we're stepping into the intimate realm of personal interviews with our smartphone cameras as the narrator. This is a unique opportunity to explore the depths of personal storytelling through the lens of your smartphone. To help you along, you'll be learning a bit about who I am, while also getting inspired to tell your own story. With that being said, let's get started. Photography is not just about capturing what you see, it's also about sharing how you see the world. This includes how you see yourself. Luckily, with the smartphone in your pocket, you possess an incredibly powerful tool for personal storytelling. The spontaneity and accessibility of smartphone photography allows you to capture authentic moments that truly reflect your individuality, without any pre-planning. The most compelling stories often lie in the subjects, moments, or elements that resonate deeply with your personal narrative. The easiest way to achieve this is by taking a look at your surroundings. Often the personal stories are staring at you right in the face. To begin, I live on the road all year round, so the weather and environment have a profound impact on my quality of life. I also spend a lot of time in forests and cities alike. This means images of forests and roadways can easily describe who I am. Expressing yourself through photography means more than just pointing and shooting the camera. There should be a little bit of thought behind it. Lighting, composition, angles, and focus can dramatically convey emotion and character in your shots. For example, a wide shot can leave much to the imagination, while a close-up intimate shot gets right to the point. Color, or the lack thereof, is something else that can create impact in a photograph. Experimenting with black and white filters on your smartphone can add a layer of emotion, stripping away distractions of color to highlight the raw beauty in your shots. Consider also the power of props, objects that hold personal significance, which can transform a simple photo into a story-rich canvas. Since I spent a lot of time in the woods, I use tools such as knives, saws, and axes to process firewood in the winter. These would make for excellent props to showcase who I am in my natural element. Now, don't let capturing the photo be the end of it. Your creative artistry can extend into the editing phase. This is where free tools like Snapseed can make editing very easy. Luckily, it's available on both Android and iOS as well. Say you shot the photo in color, and you want to check it out in black and white. Snapseed has a plethora of filters that will work for this. Just pick one that works right for the scene. Additionally, the grunge and drama effects can add some nice texture and character to your final images. Another really cool feature is the expand function. This is great if you need to change the space around your subject. Say you need to add space. It works by intelligently copying the edges of your photo and expanding them. Of course, if you're happy with the photos, you don't need to edit them. If you're comfortable with what was shot in camera, then all the power to you. And that's a wrap for this week. It's my hope that this journey has not only taught you about the endless possibilities of storytelling, but also revealed deeper insights into who you are as a photographer. To recap, this episode we've explored crafting personal narratives by drawing inspiration from the world around us. We've unlocked the art of capturing moments that resonate with your individuality, employing creative techniques and powerful editing tools like Snapseed to breathe life into our stories. You've also learned that I live a life much different than most folks. It just goes to show you that anything is possible. Now it's your turn to show us your personality. Share your images in the discussion below, and we look forward to seeing what you come up with. Until next week, happy shooting!